Hi, this is Leslie Josel, academic and parenting coach of Order Out of Chaos, and you are watching another episode of Lessons with Leslie. So I want to bring you a really fun tip today. I want to talk to you about highlighters. So I don't know if you have a student at home that loves different color highlighters. They use blue and the pink and the yellow to highlight all over either their textbook or their reading book or even their class notes. So here's an interesting piece of information for you. There is research out there that says if you use multicolor highlighters, it's almost the equivalent of your brain having a heart attack. It's just too much for your brain to process and take in. It's too much overload. So what we recommend students do is pick one color. Doesn't matter the color and it doesn't matter the thickness or the shape of the highlighter. I tend to go for yellow because I just think it's the easiest on the eye and the lightest. But the biggest tip here is to try to discourage your student from using all different colors when highlighting their work and to stick to one. And trust me, their brain will be better for it. Now, if you like these simple little tips and tools, we have tons of them on our website at orderoutofchaos.com. All you have to do is go to orderootofchaos.com and they'll all be there for you. Hope to see you there.